Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Khairul Amir Berazman, 1182670, and today I will sharing to you or present to you the casting technique for the Amcorp Properties Berhad. Okay, for the introduction for Amcorp Company, okay, Tan Sri Azman Hashim owns Amcorp, an investing holding firm, financial service, property development, property investment, and engineering are the main business of Amcorp's subsidiaries and linked enterprises. In addition to the construct of land bank, it has chosen to invest in central London properties. Locally and regionally, the engineering division is active. The infrastructure segment of the company received a boost as a result of its active involvement in renewable energy. Property is the main sector for this company. Okay, as you can see, for the current earning for the company Amcorp Properties Berhad, current earnings at net loss RM 3,728,000. So it shows that the company Amcorp Properties Berhad expenses exceed the income or total revenue produced for a given period of time. Okay, next for the company Amcorp Properties Berhad, the annual earning growth for 5 years has been fluctuated. As shown in 2016, the total earning for the company is RM 79,345,000. But for the next year, the total earning has been dropped to 13,204,000 only. For the 2028, the company has shown strong performance by get RM 137 million total earning for the year. But starting from the 2009 years, it has been impacted directly to the company caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, this is the news for the company. There are two news. Okay, for the first news above, it shows that the company will distribute its interim dividend for the company at 18 August 2021, and the interim dividend will be at 3 cents per ordinary share. It's important for the investor to rechecking the performance of the company. And for the second news, it shows that the company are joint venture with other partners to fund the development and working capital of the project. It will convince the investor to still involving in sharing the share of the company. Okay, for the supply and demand part, the Amcorp Properties Berhad has shown that the average volume of the stock is higher than its volume. As we know, a stock price will rise if there is a strong demand for a limited number of available shares. A lack of demand and oversupply of share will lead the price to fall. Okay. The major factor of this circumstance are highly because of the people are more cautious in investing their money, and majority of them prefer to make more saving than investing. As we can see, for the Amcorp Properties Berhad, mostly of their stock are flat, and it also doesn't show that they are the leaders in their sectors because there are two companies ahead of them. Okay, for the institutional investors for the Amcorp Properties Berhad, okay, as we can see, this professional investor employ team of analysts that examine thousands of stocks. So seeing them buy a stock you are considering is reassuring. It's also important as we can see base of the retailer of the stock is just minority over majority bulk investor in investing the stock, as this implies that the stock is in higher demand. Okay, for the next part is market direction company. For the short term, the company sideways trend indicate that tiny investors who may or may not be interested in investing are irritated by the lack of directional movement. Consolidation is another term for this circumstance. Trade are unsure how the market will respond after this stable period is ended during this time. They are continuously building on their previous profit, waiting for the market to turn around. The traders gain confidence as the time passes without any change and they continue to hold on. Okay, next, as we can see from the graph, Amcor Properties Berhad has been on a downtrend for the past 5 years. This indicates that the stock price exchange is trending down over time. It will remain in a downtrend until specific market factors change its course. Unfortunately, the market's trajectory has been shifted, which may be excellent news for investors. Okay, as for the conclusion, it shows that the company are having a hard time during the pandemic COVID-19. For the long terms, the investor might change their mind after observe the market direction. Although the company faced the significant high loss, but the trend shows that the company might stand it again in the future. The news of the company also shown a great response. The investor and trader will need to keep their eyes closed if they are interested to invest in this company. The data also helps to explain that the company might be able to compete again based on their adjusted float that shown that just few retailer in the company and be able to depend on the bulk investor. Last but not least, it also depend on how the company's goal and strategy to ensure that their investors are attracted to invest again in their company. That's all from me. Thank you.